Right, today in phonics we're going to be looking at the third part of phase 5, which is alternative spellings. So we're going to start with this sound here, which we all know is ch. Now, ch is a digraph. It's two letters that make one sound, and the sound is called a phoneme. So the phoneme is what sound it makes. Now, it can also make different graphemes. Now, a grapheme is the sound when we write it down. So for ch here, we know it makes ch like in chip, like chips, but it also makes different graphemes when we write it down. So like in catch, the t, ch, blend together to make ch, the ch sound. So k, a, ch. So that's a different way of writing the ch sound. And there's another way this ch sound, like in n, a, ch, nature, ch, or like in picture. So there are 3 different ways of writing it down. So it's quite complicated and the children just need lots and lots of practice. So we'll read some words together. I'll put the sound buttons on. So these are just the normal ch words that we already know. Your turn. All together. Ch, I, k, chick. Your turn. All together. Ch, o, p, chop. Now this word has got the ch sound in here. So your turn to read. All together. K, a, ch. So it's got a t in it, which is silent because we don't often say that letter. So k, a, ch, catch. Your turn. All together. F, ch, fetch. Like a dog might fetch a ball. Your turn. All together. P, I, ch, pitch. Like a football pitch. Your turn. So this time the ch sound is in the middle. Normally, these 3 letters you would find at the end, but it can also sometimes go in the middle of a word. So, k, I, ch, n, kitchen. Right, these words have the sound in at the end. So, your turn. All together. P, I, k, ch, picture. Your turn. All together. K, I, ch, creature. Your turn. All together. N, a, ch, nature. And the last word, which is quite a big word. Oh, sorry, I'm just turning the volume off my laptop. And the last word, all together, a, d, v, e, n, ch, adventure. Okay, what I want you to do now is make a table a bit like mine. So you've got the 3 graphemes, the different ways of writing the ch sound. I want you to think of a word with the ch sound in it, and I want you to write it down in your table. So you can use words we've just read, or you can look online for some, or you can just think of your own words.